Today, we're making some delicious vegan pecan pie bars that are perfectly gooey, nutty, and a dream for any dessert lover. They have a buttery, shortbread-like crust and are topped with a gooey maple-sweetened pecan filling. These bars deliver all the flavors of pecan pie in an easy-to-eat, handheld form. We start with an easy crust. In a bowl, combine flour, brown sugar, salt, and melted vegan butter. Mix it until you get a crumbly texture. Press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a lined 8x8 baking pan. This will give us the classic pecan pie base. Now bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes until slightly golden. While that bakes, let's make the filling by combining maple syrup, brown sugar, sweetened or unsweetened vegan yogurt, cornstarch, and a splash of vanilla extract. Don't forget a pinch of salt. Once combined, fold in 1 cup of chopped pecans. Give it a good stir so every bite is packed with pecan goodness. Now pour this caramel-like pecan mixture over the baked crust and spread it evenly. Bake it again at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes until it's bubbly and set around the edges. It will still be liquidy, so be careful. Let the bars cool completely for 10 to 20 minutes before chilling in the refrigerator for a few hours. This is the hardest part, but so worth it. Once chilled, lift them out using the parchment paper and slice into squares. And there you have it, vegan pecan pie bars with that perfect gooey texture and nutty crunch. Enjoy. Head over to nutsandtwigs.com for all the details and subscribe for more delicious vegan recipe ideas.